Let's draw something super fun and a little spooky. Peppa Pig as a zombie. With green skin, some stitches, and a big, silly zombie smile. Alright, let's go! Zombies are a popular Halloween character because they're spooky but can be silly too. The idea of zombies comes from old stories about people being brought back to life. In movies, zombies are often slow and like to say, "Brains." Peppa Pig as a zombie can still be cute and not too scary. Some people dress as zombies for fun runs called zombie walks. Fantastic! Our Peppa Pig zombie sketch is all done, and she looks adorably spooky. Now we're moving on to the fun part, coloring. Pick up your markers or crayons and let's make her extra fun and creative. You can make a zombie costume with torn clothes and green face paint. Zombies are often seen in stories as walking with their arms outstretched. So funny! In some video games, zombies are the characters you must outsmart. Please like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell button so you don't miss any new videos. Glow-in-the-dark paint is great for making zombie drawings even cooler. are a mix of spooky and silly, perfect for creative drawings like this one. So nice! Look at that amazing zombie Peppa Pig! Doesn't she look great with all those fun colors? Share our masterpiece and tell them all about our fun zombie adventure. I'm so grateful that you drew with me today. I'll see you soon!